Sometimes your pictures may turn out hazy. This might be caused by fog in the mountains, smog in the cities, or even wrong camera settings. Let's see how to fix this problem and remove haze from photos in just a few clicks. We will be using PhotoWorks, a convenient image editor. Run the program and open your picture. Switch to the Tools tab and pick the Dehaze tool. Drag the slider to the right to remove haze and restore the image contrast and sharpness. Hit the Show Original button to see the improvement. Click Apply to save the changes. The Dehaze tool works well not only with landscapes, but also with portraits. Again, drag the slider to the right and compare the result with the original image to see the difference. If you are looking for a way to add a mystical fog effect to your pictures, you can use this tool for that too. Just drag the slider to the left and you will instantly get that enchanting misty effect. Now you know how to remove haze from digital photos. Download PhotoWorks and make your pictures spectacular in mere minutes.